So now properties, He plus 2n, about He plus 2n, also I want to discuss with you little points. H plus ion, when we are like, H plus ion is known as proton. Proton equal to H plus ion. H plus ion equal to proton. Proton equal to H plus ion. That is clear in your mind. So similarly, what we are saying to the H plus ion, He plus 2 ion, sorry. What we are saying to the He plus 2 ion, we are saying to the He plus 2 ion alpha particle. What we are saying? Alpha particle. So He plus 2 ion equal to alpha particle. Very important. He plus 2 ion equal to alpha particle. H plus ion equal to proton. H plus ion equal to proton. So proton, H plus ion, proton, proton, H plus ion. Very good. Similarly, He plus 2 ion, alpha particle, He plus 2 ion, He plus 2 ion, alpha particle. Just fit in this in your mind, because so many numericals will come. Key numericals like that. When helium gas is available inside that tube, and then whatever rays generate which is moving towards cathode side, what will be its E by M ratio? So E by M ratio at that time you will calculate with the help of He plus 2 ion, not with the help of, because anode rays depend on the nature of gas. Very good. So now come to the properties of anode ray. Very simple properties are there. We will discuss one by one. Properties of anode rays. First, similar to up down. Now I will do comparison also. With cathode ray and going to discuss. As per cathode ray, cathode ray move in a straight path, and cathode ray is eligible to make shadow. Similarly, anode ray has also ability to make shadow. So now first property, similar to cathode rays, anode rays has also ability to make shadow of the block, of the object, means anode rays also move in straight path. They are also move in a straight path. First point. Second point. What was the second point that side? Key. Second point was cathode rays has ability to show what? Heating effect. Similarly, अब now point, that point I am writing na, one by one. Anode rays has also tendency to show what? Heating effect. Third, anode rays can also penetrate thin metal foil. Fourth, Fourth, anode rays can also rotate light wheel, means they have also kinetic energy, and they have kinetic energy means they have also mass. This observation you know. Fifth, anode ray also affect the photographic plate. Photographic plate. Sixth, when anode ray will move in the external electric field and magnetic field, what will you say? It will move towards which plate side? Positive plate side or negative plate side? Negative side. Very good. It will attract towards negative plate side. When anode ray, this is different. This property is different. Why it is different? Because it is positively charged, so that it will attract towards negative plate side. Very good. So when anode rays, or you can say when external electric field or when external electric field was applied, then anode rays moves towards negative plate side. So these are the information, these are the properties of the anode rays. They can also ion. This is also a point. Next point, if you want to write. These rays or you can say what? Next property. These rays has variable E by M value or ratio. That is very important. While cathode rays have fixed or constant E by M ratio. Very, very important. So that from here we can say E by M value of anode ray depend on nature of gas. E by M value of anode rays depends on nature of gas. So these are the points. After that, mass of proton and charge of proton is also calculated, and it was understood that if electron is negative charge particle, proton is positive charge particle, so they have equal and opposite charge. It was understood. It has proved also after that. So whatever charge on the electron is there, that is negative, similar, equal but opposite charge present in the proton. So now what will you say? Charge on proton. So what will you say? Plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Anyone wants to tell Mass of proton, which was actually calculated by the scientist and given how much? Mass of proton. Tell me, comment. Mass of proton. Mass of proton. No, that is electron. Mass of proton. (1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. Very good. So mass of proton not equal to mass of electron. Mass of proton different, mass of electron different. But charge electron proton equal and opposite, not mass. So mass of proton 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. In grams you will write 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So can I say, first point, the modulus value of charge value, mod value of charge, or modulus value of charge लिख लो, modulus value of charge of electron and proton is same, while mass of electron and proton are different. And which is more heavier, electron or proton? Tell me, which one has more mass, electron or proton? Proton is greater than to the mass of electron. So these are the points regarding electron and proton discovery, in which manner happened, who has done all these things. So now what we have discussed today? We have discussed today discovery of proton, and what was and so many properties, means properties of anode ray and cathode ray. Listen very carefully. Anode ray, cathode ray properties. Some properties are similar, little different properties they have, and major difference is the charge and movement, or you can say deviation of path, whatever they are doing when external electric field and magnetic field is available. That is different. Okay. So now, till this, whatever we have discussed, so we know right now mass of electron, yes. We know mass of proton, yes. Charge of electron, yes. Charge of proton, yes. Now alpha particle, little 2 points I want to discuss about the alpha particle also. So now come to the alpha particle. Alpha particles. Alpha particles are nothing just equal to He plus 2 ion. And here in the side I am writing representation of He, we know 2He4. Number of electron 2, proton 2, and neutron they have 4 minus 2 means 2. We know that this is mass number. This is mass number. This is what? Atomic number. I hope this idea you have. If you don't have, don't worry. When you will come in the class, we will discuss all these points from zero. Means we will assume you don't know anything, and from there discussion will start. So it will be very helpful for all of you. Now, He plus 2 ion. Charge. What is the charge of alpha particle? Then you will say alpha particle charge is 2 times of charge of proton. Just double. Because proton has +1 and alpha particle has +2. Just double. But what about the mass? Mass of alpha particle. Then what will you say? Mass of alpha particle, then what will you say? 4 times of mass of proton. 4 times. These 2 points are also very, very important when you will solve numericals or you will do numericals. So now I hope you have understand all these points. So just in the brief, I'm just telling you one by one all the points which we have discussed. Then we will go into the discovery of neutron, and few numericals we will discuss in upcoming lectures. So please read all these things and revise and then come. So now first point is what? Key. What is the first point? Cathode ray discovery. Who was arranged that setup first time? So you will say William Crookes. Then maximum properties actually studied by, then what will you say? Plucker and Hittorf. Rather than them, so many other scientists also came. Röntgen came, Thomson was there, so many other people was also there. They have studied and decided all the properties, and the Thomson was the first person who said ki whatever negatively charged particles are present in the cathode rays, they are neutrons. These neutrons actually Stoney has said what? Electron. Okay, after that properties we have seen. First properties, I'm not doing comparison of the properties of electron and proton. Sorry, anode, not electron, proton. It is wrong word. Properties comparison of cathode ray and anode ray. So cathode ray is moving from where to where? Cathode to anode. Anode ray move from anode to cathode. Side movement, direction is it like that. Cathode rays are originated from cathode? Yes. Anode rays originated from anode? No. Anode rays originated by the anode rays are originated from, you can say, not from anode, not from anode. They actually form with the help of positive ion. Don't say H plus ion. Don't say H plus ion. Anode rays formed with the positive ions of the gas. Say this because gas will change. H plus ion you will say when H2 gas is there, hydrogen gas is there. But what will you say when helium gas is available? Then He plus 2 ion. So don't say H plus ion. Say anode rays formed with the help of positive ions of the gas. But cathode rays formed by the electron? Yes, we can say. But to anode ray, we cannot say it is formed from proton. It is only formed with the help of proton when H2 gas is there. If helium gas will be there, we will say it is formed with the help of alpha particles. This is very, 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 very important. After that, next point. Both has power to rotate the wheel, both has power to penetrate the light thin foil, or both has power to make shadow, means both are moving in a straight path as per their direction, as well as both gases can show the heating effect, they can affect the photographic plate. So many properties are same, but when electric field, external electric field you will apply, cathode ray moves towards positive plate, anode rays move towards negative plate side, because their charge is opposite as per as whatever we know. E by M ratio, very good. E by M ratio. E by M ratio of cathode ray is constant, but of anode ray it is not constant. It is variable. It depends on the gas whatever you have filled inside the tube. Very good. So it's change. Means can I say anode ray E by M ratio specific charge? E by M ratio means what? Specific charge. Specific charge of anode ray depends on nature of gas. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Then we know the mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Charge of electron minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. But charge of proton just equal and opposite 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb with positive sign, and mass of proton 1.67. Near to that exact, the exact is so much digits are there. So 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg or 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Very good. So now from here we will discuss different things. Discovery of neutron also we will do, as well as some numericals we will discuss in the next class. Bye bye.